Protecting and enhancing biodiversity is a core priority for Energia Group. At our electrical generation facilities, including 18 onshore wind farms and our offices across the island of Ireland, we're taking meaningful action to restore habitats, protect species, and support nature's long-term resilience. The group has been a business supporter of the All-Ireland Pollinator Plan since 2023, acknowledging our biodiversity measures to support pollinators across our sites. Energia Group continues to be an active member of the Business for Biodiversity Ireland platform. Our biodiversity-friendly actions include developing habitat management and enhancement plans in place at our wind farms to protect and enhance existing habitats for wildlife. Actions involve rewetting peatland, planting native hedgerows and trees, putting up nest boxes, pond restoration, and reduced mowing to allow meadows to flourish. Dam blocks have been installed in peatlands to help reinstate and manage natural water flows. Invasive species removal programs help protect peatland quality and recovery of natural ecosystems. We also carry out regular ecological surveys across our wind farm locations, monitoring habitats, birds, and insects to understand how wildlife is responding to our conservation work. Conservation actions at our Teagues Mountain Wind Farm have resulted in a significant increase in numbers of the endangered native marsh fritillary butterfly. At our Hunstown site, we have created a heritage fruit orchard comprising of 8 native apples. Native pollinator-friendly bulbs have been planted in the vicinity of the staff car park, and additional native wildflowers are also being prepared. Several house martin nesting boxes have been installed throughout the power plant site as well. Through our Greener Possibilities Fund, we support local charities in their own biodiversity efforts through Global Action Plan and Grow NI's community gardens, and helping keep NI Beautiful's Green Flag programme. Our employees play an important part in our efforts to protect biodiversity. Staff have volunteered on species conservation work with organisations in Northern Ireland and have volunteered with some of our Greener Possibilities Fund recipients on a range of biodiversity projects. Our Green Team is a staff-led initiative promoting biodiversity through educational green talks, providing advice alongside practical actions like native and pollinator-friendly planting around our offices. To support staff awareness, we have incorporated nature and biodiversity training programs where employees learn about measures to enhance biodiversity. We are continuously expanding our biodiversity efforts and looking at new ways to protect our environment and wildlife.